Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Solana. So we are here on the 1 hour time frame and we can see that the resistance zone that I communicated already yesterday, the day before, it is still holding. It's between $129 and $133. That is standard resistance for this bounce. And as long as the market stays below that zone, there is absolutely no sign that a low is in. Yeah, there is absolutely no sign that a low is in. Also, the problem that we discussed over the last few days is very clearly that the move to the upside from the Sunday low is super choppy, super messy, overlapping, not clearly directly bullish. Now, it might become bullish, but then it needs to break above resistance first to confirm that to us. As you can clearly see for now, the trend is still down from that last high. The move here, it looks a little bit like a bearish flag even. So yeah, there is no evidence that a low has formed. Also, the initial rally here after the 11th of March, 10th of March low was only a 3-wave move up. So also here we have no clear evidence for a low, but this is, as I discussed in previous updates, the area where we're watching at least for a low to form. The bulls are trying, I mean, for sure, it's the bulls are trying, but so far they haven't been strong enough. The first indication that we are moving higher in the yellow scenario in wave C of a larger wave 1, which could then be part of a larger diagonal pattern that should form 5 waves up, as shown here. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Well, the first evidence for that would be a break above $133.17. Ideally, even a break in 5 waves, because what we are watching in this C wave is a 5-wave move. And what we need to see is something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a break in 5 waves. That would be wave 1 of C. That would be ideal, right? I mean, I'm showing you what would be ideal. In practice, it might not be like that. It might just be with very little structure. Sometimes when the market is suddenly breaking out, you get very little pullbacks, very small pullbacks only. It's just that in theory, it should unfold like that. That's at least the roadmap. It's our model, right? Now, that being said, until the price actually breaks above resistance in a convincing way, further downside has to be expected. And I'm watching for at least 1 more low, possibly even 2 more lows. And that takes us to the next support lines here, support levels. What would be the next structural support? We've got support here probably in the area around $112, $113, the previous swing low from the 11th of March. Below that, the $110 level. If I zoom out a little bit, you see here, that's the swing low from the 4th of August, 5th of August rather, and then the $103 level below. This is only an area of interest. It's not a concrete floor. It doesn't tell us the price has to form a low there. It's simply an area to watch. This is still a knife catch. Okay, had the move up from the 10th or 11th of March low, depending on your time zone, been a 5-wave move, we could be more clearly bullish. But because it's only a choppy rally with overlapping structures, clearly a 3-wave move, which also adhered to proportions of an ABC structure. Because the move down looks like a bear flag, yeah, we could just have to expect further downside. But very open to change structure here and adapt, because the yellow count is plausible. It just isn't something that you could call high probability setup. So we need a signal before we can commit further to that one. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.